Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss revision part of this portion, this chapter. Now discuss. Solve the following inequality: minus 15 less than 3 into bracket x minus 2 upon 5 less than equal to g. So first of all, in denominator term 5 is present, so remove this 5. So 5 into minus 15, that means minus 75 less than 3 into bracket x minus 2 less than equal to 5 into 0, that means 0. Now divide by 3, so minus 25 less than x minus 2 less than 0 divided by 3, that means 0. Now remove this constant term. So all these three sides add plus 2. So therefore minus 25 plus 2 less than x less than 0 plus 2. So therefore minus 25 plus 2, that means minus 23 less than x less than equal to 2. So our answer is minus 25 minus 23 less than x less than equal to 2. Clear? So first of all, remove this denominator term. 5 multiply both the sides, but here 0 is present, so 0 into 5, that means here written 0. Now after remove this 3, so divide by 3 all these both sides. Now after remove minus 2, so add plus 2 in both these sides, simplify this term, so here we get answer. Next question. Solve the following inequality: minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x upon minus 5 less than equal to 2. So now how can we solve this inequality? So here first of all minus sign is present, so here minus minus written plus sign. So therefore otherwise minus 12 less than 4 plus 3x upon 5 less than equal to 2. Now plus 4 written in both sides and change the sign. So minus 12 minus 4 less than 3x upon 5 less than equal to 2 minus 4. Simplify this term. Minus 12 minus 4, that means minus 60 less than 3x upon 5 less than equal to minus 2. Now 5 multiply in both the sides. So therefore 16 5 is minus 80 less than 3x less than equal to minus 10. Now divide by 3 in both the sides. So therefore minus 80 divided by 3 less than x less than equal to minus 10 divided by 3. So our final answer minus 80 divided by 3 less than x less than equal to minus 10 by 3. Here 80 divided by 3, so we get the answer in point form. So no need to convert into this form. We can written this way also. Next question. Question number 3. Solve the following inequalities: x plus 5 greater 2 into bracket x plus 1 comma 2 minus x less than 3 into bracket x plus 2. So here two equation is present. Now solve both this equation. So x plus 5 greater 2x plus 2. Now x term written one side and constant term written another side. So therefore x minus 2x greater 2 minus 5. X minus 2x, that means minus x, greater 2 minus 5, that means minus 3. Remove this minus sign. So in both the side multiply minus sign and greater in place of written less form. So x less than 3. Now in opposite side means in another equation 2 minus x less than 3x plus 6. 3x written this side and 2 written opposite side. So minus x minus 3x less than 6 minus 2 minus 4x less than 4. Now here x is variable, so outside minus sign is present. So remove this minus sign. So again multiply both the side minus sign. So therefore 4x greater minus 4. Now divide by this term. So x greater minus 1. Now after in both this equation we can written combinedly. So our final answer minus 1 less than x we can written and x less than 3. So final answer minus 1 less than x less than 3. Next question. Solve the following inequalities. 2 into bracket x minus 6 less than 3x minus 7 comma 11 minus 2x less than 6 minus x. So now again here open this bracket. So 2 into x, that means 2x, minus 6 to the 12 less than 3x minus 7. 3x written this side and minus 12 written opposite side. So 2x minus 3x less than minus 7 plus 12. 2x minus 3x, that means minus x less than plus 12 minus 7, that means 5. Now here x is variable again. Remove this minus sign. So both the side multiply minus. So here written x greater minus 5. Same way in another equation solve 11 minus x written in this side and change the sign. So minus 2x plus x less than 6 minus 11 minus 2x plus x, that means minus x less than minus 5. Again in both the side minus sign is present. So multiply minus and change the inequality. So x greater 5. Now after in both this equation combinedly written here minus 5 less than x less than 5. Okay, here minus 5 is smallest number and x is biggest number. So here written minus 5 less than x, and okay here x greater minus 5 and x greater 5 form is present, so we cannot return so this way. So our final answer, x greater minus 5 and x greater 5. Next question. Uh, 2x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2 less than 3 into bracket x minus 2 upon 5. So again here we can take LCM. So therefore 2x plus 3 minus 5 to the 10 upon 5 less than 3 into bracket x minus 2 upon 5. 5 cancel out in denominator term. Now after simplify in numerator term, so 2x 3 minus 10, that means minus 7 less than, here open this bracket, so 3x minus 6. Now x term written one side and remaining constant term written another side. So 2x minus 3x less than minus 6 plus 7. 2x minus 3x, that means here we can written minus x less than 1. Now again x is here variable, outside minus sign is present, so remove this minus sign, so multiply minus in both the side, so therefore x greater minus 1. So our final answer x greater minus 1. Next question. Question number 6. Solve the inequalities x upon 2x plus 1 greater than equal to 1 by 4, comma 6x upon 4x minus 1 less than 1 upon 2. So again take means 4 multiply this side and 2x plus 1 multiply this side. So 4x greater than equal to 2x plus 1. 2x written opposite side. So 4x minus 2x greater than equal to 1. So therefore 2x greater than equal to 1. X greater than equal to 1 by 2. Now after simplify another equation, 12x less than 4x minus 1. 12x minus 4x, that means 8x less than minus 1. Now divided by 8. So x less than minus 1 by 8. So how can be written here? Okay, so our answer is, we can written like this way: x greater than equal to 1 by 2 and x less than minus 1 by 8. Clear? Okay.